What is so freaking funny? Wait, are you taking pictures?
I was videoing.
Oh. Are you videoing anymore?
Duh, look.
Oh. This is my phone.
Wait! I want to take a picture! Oh, yeah.
Are you videoing? Let's listen to the CD.
Oh no, it's a boy!
Just so.
What's going
Okay.
on?
Alright. I forgot. I put a CD in. What CD did you do?
Oh my god, turn it down, turn it down. Holy shit. Holy shit. It's
Problems.
Shut the fuck up, Adrian.
Something opens your door. Wide open after I shut it. Amanda.
We are not officially on Halloween yet, Sarah.
Emma goes, I want to be on camera. Hello, camera.
I am Emma. I am the most beautifulest kitty in the world. Hello, I am Emma. Please marry me. I am a bride to be. You know you want me?
Put hell.
Oh, jeez, I just want to squeeze you, Em. Just want to squeeze you. Oh.
I have a trick for you. Ready? I'm gonna pull a slinky out of my mouth.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, what? 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 Oh! Ew! Ew! Happy birthday to me! Get off me, you freaking lesbian. Oh, gosh. Oh, God. You're trying to make me give the computer head.
Move. Should I go closer to the microphone? Or farther? Right there. Okay.
No,
Now
right there.
Say now move up and down.
Now move up and down.
Is this good?
Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, jeez. She just ate me out. Oh, good. Ow. You can't tell, but I'm crying. Ow. It's you, right? It's emo. Safety pin in your lion's nose. It's emo. Look, it's the freaking safety pin. Chill. Sunshine, I'm not amazing. Oh, there's you know what? I don't know they have.
No, please don't. Please don't try to deliver me.
Ooh, I'm pale.
Draw a star right here on my foot.
What about that?
It tickled already.
That was my breath is so funny.
Oh.
Hey, Sarah.
Suck on my toe, they smell bad.
To your mother, I said.
Who should I dedicate the star to?
Jesus. And Amanda. Imagine me next to Jesus. But I do not compare with Jesus.
That's Amanda and Jesus. As you can see, Amanda's that
Wait,
little
what?
black dot.
What the heck?
God is so much bigger than you, Amanda.
Wish my hair was longer. I'd be happy.
1 + 1 = 2. 2. I actually wanted to be a teacher at one point. So you know what I said to that? Amanda, stay still. Wait, hold on a second. Just to make this process go faster. Hey guys!
I'm still here.
No, I'm gonna try.
Oh, no, look, I'm still here. I'm right. Oh god, no. Hang on. Actually, I'm gonna retry this. I think that's right. Oh.
Amanda! Where are you? Where are you? That's actually a creepy kind of looking face. Now move over. See.
That is so lopsided. You don't even know.
Guess what this is?
Milk?
Nice and crispy.
That's the way. We are telling you that I am pregnant.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Amanda. Relax. Amanda. Amanda. Okay, Amanda. Hold on. Amanda. Amanda.
Ow. Ow. What are you doing?
Okay, sit down.
Ow.
Okay, we got this.
No, I know what we need to do. What does this mean? What is these
What are you doing?
symbols?
What are you doing? Why are you logging into MySpace?
You see, my people.
We're not doing Aqua right now, are we?
No. Hobo. That's not it. This song is what we need to do up in here. My lips are sexier.
No, both. Ah, you're gonna shut
the fuck up.
Attack my arm. Pissed off.
Do you wanna watch Agent Cody Banks?
Not really.
Do you wanna watch
I've seen all these movies too much, man. They get kind of old.
Everybody Kissed?
Ew, my toes are like.
Holy crap, because I touched the bruise.
I'm a G. I'm a gangster. There's my hood, man. With my cheap toes.
Hi, everybody. This is Amanda here. Emma, how did you get in?
Cat fight. But be careful what you wish for. Just not get it.
Get off me, it's time for bed.
Good night.
It's freaking 12:34 in the morning on a Thursday or Friday morning. And it's Halloween. Happy Halloween, everybody.